all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we are going to find the number of tangents from a point of a circle. To perform this activity, we need some materials. We need glue, geometry box, cardboard, scissors, colored paper, strings and nails. To perform this activity, we need to know the various terms related to the circle, tangent of the circle. Now, what is a tangent? A tangent is a line meeting a circle only in a pair to the circle at that point. Now we will start our activity. At first, we have to take a cardboard of suitable size and paste a colored sheet on it. So it's my colored paper. Now we will draw a circle of suitable size. Take any radius of suitable size. So here we are going to draw a circle. And now we are going to cut it out. So it's my radius and the point of. Now I am going to cut it out. So now we are going to cut the circle. So I have cut the circle in a particular radius and to cut. Now it's my cardboard and I am going to cut it in a specific shape. So my cardboard and circle both are ready. Now I will cover it with colored papers and stick it on the cardboard. So we have got this. Now we need the string. We need to take the string and we also need a nail. We need to tie the string with the nail. At first we will put it on any point. Let's take that point outside the circle. So it's my nail and I'm going to place it outside the circle. Now we need the thread. We need to tie this thread on the nail. So we know that tangent do not goes inside the circle, from inside the circle. So we can see if the string goes from here, so it's coming inside the circle, so it is not a tangent, both of them. But if we place it over here, they both forms a tangent as it only touches the circle, but it does not goes from inside the circle. So if the point A, so let's take this point as A. So we are taking this point as A. So if we take the point outside the circle, then we get two tangents. Now we are going to put the pin on the circle. And mark it as point A. So it's my point A. Now again tie the thread on it. So now we have taken the point A on the circle. If we pass this thread from here, so we can see that it's coming from inside the circle, and we know that tangent do not cross from inside the circle, so it's not forming a circle. Let's try again. if we put it from center, still it's coming inside the circle, so it's not a tangent. But if we place it like this, then it's forming a tangent. That means if we place the point on the circle, then then only one tangent is formed. So now I have taken the point inside the circle. So let's try with it. It's not forming a tangent as it's coming inside the circle. From another side we can try. Still it's not forming a tangent. Here also we can't form a tangent. So it's proof that when we place the point inside the circle, no tangents are formed. So here our activity ends, and in the observation we have seen that if we take the point outside the circle, then two tangents are formed. If we take the points on the circle, only one tangent is formed. And if we take the point inside the circle, then no tangents are formed. Hence, today's activity ends here. Thank you.